Hi guys, it's Jamie. Welcome or welcome back. So today I'm going to introduce you to the Willow Creek Farm series. We have all kinds of special little creatures that's going to be featured into our savings challenges. Each one of these books start out as a small step and lead you into further steps to save more money towards a certain goal. And I am going to introduce you to Rudy. I think I've already showed you Rudy, but Rudy is up on our Etsy shop. So this is the family, and all of these are the little characters that you're going to be seeing. So with Rudy, he comes with his own envelope. You can print off. Of course, you see on the back it's got a cash tracker, and it tells you which one it goes, or you can have it wherever. This is Rudy. This is Rudy's story and what Rudy's purpose is on the farm. This is the the $10 challenge. This is the rainy day fund. You can either use this as a dollar tracker, or you can roll the dice and put the money in. You set the amount you want. Here is Rudy's Coffee and Cats. Every time you skip going to the coffee shop, you put that money in here. I do love coffee, but coffee is at home. Of course, I got my coffee cup. I'm drinking with my sisters today. It's my sister cup. And mine is going to be every time I don't buy a energy drink, because I'm really hooked on the Monsters. The next one is Rudy's Loose Change Jar. You'll have one of these in, I believe, in all of the series so far. You will have one jar. I'm just going to use this for pennies, random pennies that I find, because, you know, pennies are kind of hard to come by nowadays. In my area, they are anyway. This one is Rudy's Yarn Ball Challenge. I can't talk this morning. This one is a roll of dice. You don't have to do the whole 50 yarn balls if you don't want to. My suggestion is how I'm going to do it is I'm going to start here, and if I roll a 1, then I'll just move one space and put down 1. But if I roll a 5, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, color this one in and save the $5, and then just follow your track all the way down until you finish it. But if you want to do all 50, you can. This is your challenge. It's built for you to do it however you want. And then the last one is Rudy's Catch the Dream. Same thing. If you don't want to do the whole thing, just start up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Save the $5. Or you can color it in until you finish it off. So this is Rudy. Rudy is up on Etsy right now. He's a beautiful, beautiful Siamese cat. And yes, he is named after my own cat, Rudy. Rudy's is a peaceful path savings. It's finding financial peace as one paw print at a time. Sorry guys, I had to stop for a minute. My phone was vibrating. Anyway, of course you all have seen me with Penny's little savings book. Penny has been redone. Penny has her own little series, and actually I think Penny is book 3, but I wanted to incorporate people who have children. So Penny is, this is Penny's. Here is Penny. Yep, Penny is book 3. Penny is a children's savings book. Adults can do it too, because you all know we got spare change, especially if you use cash envelopes. I will be introducing Penny probably the end of July. but I'll give you a flip through a penny to show you. You know, kids first start saving, they usually save coins. So adults can do this too, and just incorporate your child in it and let your child help you with it. I love penny. And then here is this one. And then you can either start, you know, show them how to roll the dice and say, that is so fun. And then this one. But, you know, I want to do pennies too, because Penny is my little chick. I call her Blondie, but I named Blondie. This is Blondie's challenge, but we call her Penny. And then you have roll the dice and save, which is really cute. So, Penny will be coming up probably the end of July. And I'm going to save Bandit for another video. So, of course, this is the mock-up one that I've done, and I really wasn't satisfied with this one, so I went back and redone her. Yes, these are with help with AI generation. AI. But I have spent countless hours on that app, figuring, retweaking, redoing, making sure they all fit on the page. It's just been a challenge for me to learn new technology and add a collection of something that I am so excited to do. Because most of these characters that are in this book is here on our little area. And this is something that's helped me to refocus and not be depressed and just stop my dream. Now, I want to help everybody else grow with me as I'm growing this family, and I want us to be a community, a family community. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really do appreciate everybody who has bought from the Etsy shop. Rudy is up and ready to go. There's a Christmas challenge on Etsy. It's Save Christmas at Willow Creek. And here's my favorite little characters, but I just made more characters. And this one is going to go for Christmas. So it's never too late to start saving for Christmas. So guys, with that said, I hope you all have a blessed day. And I look forward to seeing this series grow. And I hope you all grow with me. Bye guys.